See ya, have fun in Miami.
I made it! So I'm sitting in my hotel room right now. I don't actually know how to turn that TV off, so I've had to be listening to this like exciting, like something wonderful's about to happen music this whole time. Look at my view. I can't even talk about it. I just have to show you. Look at this. This is all right outside my window. Oh my god. Look at the cars all the way down there. They're so puny. So if you can't tell, I'm so excited. Okay, so I haven't even told you guys why I'm here. Oh my god, it's so cold. So let's have this be the official start to the vlog. Hi everyone! So if you guys are new, this is my channel. My name is Sammy Morris. I usually do Taekwondo. This week, I'm actually out in Miami for a social media conference called Hispanicize. So earlier today, you saw me traveling. I was going from Salt Lake City to Houston to Miami so I could get all the way out here. I flew on United, which was like the best experience ever. I'm just exhausted because I got no sleep last night since I procrastinated packing. As always, I never learn, and I probably never will. Here's my little badge. Oh, I wanted to talk to you guys about something serious. So one of the things that I try and do in a lot of my vlogs is always share stuff with you guys. And one thing that I want to share is one of my biggest fears, and I thought about this as I was flying here today. One of my biggest fears in life, like, I absolutely hate this, and not a lot of people know this about me, but I hate airplanes. I'm not even joking. Every single time, and like, I know I've traveled all over the world. I've been to Australia, I've been to Canada, I've been to Argentina, and China, and Korea. So I've flown all over the world, but I still have never gotten over the fear of airplanes. Like, you get on a plane, and like, this happens every time, but I'm sitting on the plane and I'm just like, holy crap, like as it's taking off, I'm just like, we could like all just crash right now. Like, what if the pilot just forgets how to fly the plane? And I know that's not like very realistic and like planes know how to fly themselves or whatever, but like, what if it doesn't fly? And then I'll like stare at the wing and I'm just like, what if there's something like wrong with that wing? And what if it breaks and we all just like go crashing down? So this is like a very real fear for me, and I wanted to share this with you guys because I know a lot of you guys have different kinds of fears. So I want to show you like how I get over this one, because this is a huge one for me that I have to face every single time I go anywhere. A couple of things that I do is, if you think about it for too much, then like your mind starts getting the best of you. So what I try to do is, first of all have to accept it. I'm like, all right, and I'm gonna be terrified, like it's real, like you could crash on an airplane, that's fine, because there's no way to avoid it. Like, I can't just, you know, like take a ship. I think like taking a boat somewhere would be even scarier than a plane. There's nothing I can do to get to the places I want to go to and the events and the things that I want to do in life if I don't get on that airplane. So I'm just like, all right, maybe I'm scared of this, but there's no way around it. I have to be on this airplane. So once I accept that, the next thing I do is I try and just like think of something else, do something that makes me feel comfortable in this situation. So I usually put on music and I start thinking of like really positive, exciting things that I can think of instead of like the scary thing in my head. I'll listen to like upbeat music that gets me in a good mood. I'll like talk to someone or get into a good book, and to kind of just like get my head off of the fear and onto like thinking a little bit more happily. And that's something that I really like to do. So yeah, that's all. I just thought I'd share that with you guys because that was on my mind as I was flying over here today. So I got here a little bit earlier. Like I said, I've only had 3 hours of sleep, and like this, you know, this shirt, it says the struggle is real. This is my life right now. I'm gonna go out and explore a little bit of downtown Miami. Is that where I am? I really don't know where I am. I'm gonna go out and try and look for food. It is dark and night outside, so let's just plan on not getting kidnapped. And then tomorrow, just getting to do all kinds of really cool things at Hispanicize. I'm so excited to meet everyone. I'm gonna be vlogging all of the activities and all the cool things we get to do. Guys, like, it's a crazy idea that I'm out here just because I started posting like Taekwondo pictures and videos on Instagram, and that led me to YouTube, and that led me to like going to these kinds of events. It's insane, and I'm so excited to see where it's gonna take me. I really don't know where it's gonna take me, but so far it's been like a thrill, and I want to just take a second to like thank you guys for watching my videos all this time. May I know I'm talking a lot on this one, but hopefully that's okay. Now I'm starving, so let's go look for some food. Guys, we found a Whole Foods. Okay guys, so we've ended up here at Whole Foods looking at all the food options. Remember, I have like not slept today, I haven't eaten today, it's been a rough day. This is self-serve mochi. Oh my god, we have guava mochi, blueberry mochi, sakura mochi, green tea mochi. Oh my god. I think you say mochi, not mochi. Oops, sorry if I offended anyone. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. We just take a second to appreciate this. It is not like this in Utah.